Today, we're fixing one of the biggest mistakes people make with ChatGPT for marketing content, not telling ChatGPT who it's talking to. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple customer persona that you can plug into your prompts so your content instantly becomes more relevant, more human, and way more effective. Most people write prompts for their content like this. Write a social media post about, let's say email marketing. But here's the problem. ChatGPT has no idea who this is for, so it gives you the most average, generic response possible. Because when you don't define your audience, AI defaults to everyone, and content for everyone connects with basically no one. What if I told you this could be fixed easily in just a few minutes? Create a simple customer persona and include it in your prompt. Not a complicated marketing document, just a few key details. Here's the easiest way to do it. Step 1, define who they are. Again, who is ChatGPT writing this content for? Start with the basics, a job or a role, an industry, experience level. So here's an example, a small business owner who runs a local bakery. Step 2, identify their goals. What are they trying to achieve? For our example, it would be that they want to get more repeat customers and increase online orders. So number 3, understand their challenges. What's frustrating them right now? In our example, it could be something like they don't have time for marketing and they really don't know what to post. In step 4, how do they like to communicate? Talking about their tone and their preferences. And so you would say they prefer simple, friendly, non-technical language. Now let's turn all of this into a better prompt. So instead of the vague prompt, write an Instagram post about email marketing, try this instead. Write an Instagram post about email marketing for a small bakery owner who wants more repeat customers but has limited time for marketing. Use a friendly, simple tone and include one easy tip they can implement today. See the difference? Now ChatGPT has the context, and context is everything. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for that next video.